Are you missing out on potential clients because you forget to follow up after discovery calls? Those quick, casual connections can lead to lifelong clients if you nurture them the right way. Hi, I'm Lisa from Scale Mastery. Today, I'll show you how to set up an automated follow-up sequence that ensures you never miss a beat with prospective clients after a discovery call. Imagine turning every lead into an engaged paying client with a follow-up that feels personal and timely. Stay tuned till the end, and I'll share a pre-built follow-up sequence you can start using immediately to make follow-ups effortless. In Go HighLevel, you can automate this entire process, saving time and improving your response rate. Go to your Go HighLevel dashboard and first confirm that you have set up your discovery calls using the calendar schedule. Go to the Calendar tab on the left side, then click the Settings tab and check your discovery call calendar. This calendar is created using the Create Calendar button. Name it something like Discovery Calls to keep it organized. Add availability. Set specific time slots for when you're available for these calls. Add booking link. Customize your booking link for easy sharing, e.g., full discovery calls. Add details. Include a description for the calendar, such as 30-minute discovery call to discuss your goals and how we can help. Once everything is set, save the calendar. Setting up the automation workflow. Go to the Automation tab from the main dashboard. Then, go to Workflows to start building your automated sequence. Click on Create Workflow and select Start from Scratch. Name your workflow something like Discovery Call Follow-up Sequence to keep it organized. Now, let's set up a trigger. A trigger determines when this workflow should begin. Click on Add Trigger and choose Appointment Status. Go to Filters and select the calendar for Discovery Calls. Once you've defined the trigger, click Save. You can also test it to ensure it's working as expected. Adding follow-up steps. Click Add Action and select Send Email. Craft a professional and personalized email, thanking the client for their time and summarizing key points from the discovery call. Subject. Great connecting with you. Hi, your client name. Thank you for booking your discovery call. Here are the details about the coaching session. Appointment date time. After completing the email, save it. To avoid overwhelming the client, let's add a delay before the next follow-up. Click Add Action and select the Wait trigger. Set the delay to 2 days and save it. After the delay, add another step. This time, a text message. In this follow-up, gently remind them about the next steps and offer to answer any questions they might have. Hi, your client name. Just checking in to see if you had a chance to consider our discussion. Let me know if there's anything I can clarify. Click the link for discussion. Finally, set another delay for 3 days by clicking the Wait action. Here, send a final reminder email. This email should be polite. Subject: don't miss out on your coaching session. Dear, client's name. This is a friendly final reminder about your upcoming coaching session scheduled for date and time. I'm excited to connect with you and support your journey toward achieving your goals. Please confirm your attendance or reach out if you have any questions. Click here to join me. Best regards, Success. Goal coaching session. Before activating the workflow, always test it. Use a sample client and run through the sequence to ensure all triggers and actions work perfectly. Once everything looks good, toggle the workflow to active and save it. And there you have it. A complete follow-up sequence in Go HighLevel to ensure you stay connected with prospective clients after discovery calls. Ready to convert more leads into clients? Click our exclusive link in the description to start a 30-day free trial with Go HighLevel. That's double the usual trial length. Plus, you'll get instant access to our done-for-you discovery call follow-up sequence, designed to keep leads engaged and moving forward. If this video helped, subscribe for more tips on building strong client relationships and growing your business. And don't miss our next video on using data tracking to measure client progress. Perfect for keeping clients motivated and engaged long-term. Thanks for watching. Timely follow-ups are a small step that can make a big difference. See you in the next video.